You're ready to dive into the world of crypto. You've heard the buzz, maybe even seen some impressive gains. But with so many platforms out there, choosing where to buy can feel overwhelming. Today, we're focusing on Gemini. Is it a safe and reliable platform to buy your crypto? Let's find out. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand what Gemini is. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins, famously known for their involvement with Facebook. It's known for its focus on security, regulation, and a user-friendly interface. But is that enough? We'll be diving deep into these key areas to help you decide if Gemini is the right fit for your crypto journey. Security, this is paramount. We'll explore Gemini's security measures, including cold storage, insurance, and how they protect your funds from hacks. Regulation, navigating the crypto world can be complex. We'll discuss Gemini's regulatory compliance and how it impacts your trading experience. User experience, how easy is it to buy, sell, and trade crypto on Gemini? We'll cover the platform's interface, mobile app, and overall user-friendliness. Fees, let's talk money. We'll analyze Gemini's trading fees, withdrawal fees, and how they compare to other exchanges. Customer support, what happens if you encounter an issue? We'll assess Gemini's customer support channels and the quality of their assistance. Security, is your crypto safe with Gemini? Security is the cornerstone of any reputable crypto exchange. Gemini takes this seriously. Here's a breakdown. Cold storage, a significant portion of Gemini's cryptocurrency holdings are stored offline in cold storage. This means they're not connected to the internet, making them extremely difficult for hackers to access. Insurance, Gemini has insurance policies in place to protect customer assets in the event of a security breach. This provides an extra layer of security for your investments. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Gemini strongly encourages and enforces 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone when you log in. Regulation, navigating the crypto landscape. The crypto world can be a bit of a wild west. That's why regulation is crucial. Compliance, Gemini is known for its strong commitment to regulatory compliance. They operate in accordance with various financial regulations, which can provide a degree of comfort for investors. KYC/AML, Gemini adheres to Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, procedures. This involves verifying your identity to comply with regulatory requirements and prevent financial crimes. User experience, how easy is it to use Gemini? A user-friendly platform is essential for a smooth crypto experience. Interface, Gemini boasts a clean and intuitive interface, making it relatively easy to navigate, even for beginners. Mobile app, the Gemini mobile app is well regarded for its user-friendliness and ease of use. You can buy, sell, and manage your crypto on the go. Ease of use, Gemini simplifies the process of buying and selling crypto. You can easily fund your account and execute trades with a few clicks. Fees, understanding the cost of trading. Fees are an important consideration when choosing a crypto exchange. Trading fees, Gemini's trading fees are competitive, especially for high-volume traders. They offer a tiered fee structure where fees decrease as your trading volume increases. Withdrawal fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency. It's essential to check the specific fees for the coins you're interested in. Comparing fees, compare Gemini's fees with other popular exchanges to ensure you're getting the best deal. Customer support, getting help when you need it. Excellent customer support is crucial for any online platform. Channels, Gemini offers various customer support channels, including email, live chat, and phone support. Response times, while response times may vary depending on the issue, Gemini generally strives to provide timely and helpful assistance. Quality of support, Gemini's customer support team is known for its professionalism and helpfulness in resolving user issues. Is Gemini right for you? Ultimately, whether or not Gemini is the right exchange for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider these factors. Your investment goals. Are you a beginner looking to buy and hold a few cryptocurrencies, or are you an experienced trader seeking advanced trading features? Your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with the inherent risks associated with cryptocurrency investing? Your budget. Consider the fees and minimum deposit requirements. Gemini pros. Strong security measures. Regulatory compliance. User-friendly interface. Competitive fees. Excellent customer support. Gemini cons. Limited cryptocurrency selection compared to some other exchanges. KYC/AML procedures may take time. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency investing involves significant risks, and you could lose money. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Gemini is a reputable cryptocurrency exchange with a strong focus on security and regulation. It's a solid choice for both beginners and experienced traders. However, it's crucial to carefully weigh the pros and cons and choose the platform that best suits your individual needs and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.